Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic in the financial management is role of finance manager. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Today we are going to discuss role of finance manager. The finance manager has to play very important and vital role for the development and growth of any organization. As it is said that finance is the lifeblood of the business, finance is the most scarce resource which is not easily available to most of the countries in the world. So therefore, there is a need to proper use of these particular funds, which will lead to the growth of the organization. So the finance manager has to play very important role. Now we can discuss one by one. First one is estimation of the capital. So whenever an organization wants to go for expansion, modernization, modification or acquisition, merger, it has to estimate what is the fresh amount of funds required by the organization for that particular activity. So it is the role of finance manager to estimate the exact amount of funds required by the organization for expansion, modernization, modification, diversification, mergers, acquisitions, etc. So the first important role is estimation of the capital. Second one is components of capital. So once how much amount required by the organization is finalized, the second important point is that from which sources are available to acquire that particular fund, by issue of equity shares, by issue of preference shares, by issue of debentures, by issue of bonds, by taking loan from the public in the form of deposits, by taking loan from the specialized financial institutions, by taking loan from banks, financial institutions, etc. So which sources, from which components we want to acquire the funds, that is either equity shares, preference shares, debentures, bonds, loan from specialized financial institutions, loan from banks and loan from other sources. Third one is utilization of the funds. So once the funds are collected, the required funds, that those funds must be properly utilized for those purpose for which it has acquired. Generally, if you consider the 70% of the total capital is required for investment in capital fixed assets and 30% is for working capital. So the funds which we are acquired, those funds must be properly utilized for the purpose for which they have been acquired. It means, take an example, if we are collected funds for acquisition of fixed assets, such fixed fund, that particular fund must be utilized for acquisition of that fixed asset. That should not be utilized for other purposes. So therefore, it is the important responsibility of finance manager to utilize the funds for which they have been acquired. So utilization of fund is very important. If we will properly utilize the funds for the purpose for which they have acquired, definitely our organization will earn profit in the future. Otherwise, no. Then investment of funds. So once the organization come to know that if it is having excess funds with this that particular time, the company or organization or the finance manager has to invest those particular funds and earn the good return, so that it will lead to increase the profitability of the organization. Therefore, the excess funds must be invested in a proper way so that it can give better amount of return to the business. So therefore, the proper investment is again the role of finance manager. Then preparation of cash budget. So preparation of cash budget is very important because the company must understand that whether it is having excess of funds or whether the company is having shortage of funds. Generally, cash budget is prepared for monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly, so that we want to know in advance whether the funds are required funds are available with the organization or not. If there is a shortage of funds, then the finance manager has to make arrangement for those particular funds and make the payment as and when they are due. If there is a shortage of funds, they have to acquire. If there is excess of funds, that funds must be utilized properly in order to get a better return. So preparation of cash budget is necessary. Generally, cash budget is prepared monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. Then mergers and acquisitions. Nowadays, because of globalization, liberalization and privatization, mergers and acquisitions are playing very important role, and mergers and acquisitions are very, very important. The role of finance manager is increased due to mergers and acquisition. The big companies are acquiring the small companies or other companies, and the companies are growing very rapidly. If the finance manager is having proper knowledge about merger and acquisition, it will help the organization to increase its profit by acquiring the other companies. Next one is capital budgeting decisions. So when an organization want to expansion, diversification, modernization or go for other activity, it must be studied properly the capital budgeting decisions, so that whatever the funds we are investing, that must give us a proper return in the future. So huge amount of funds we are investing now, and the return we are expecting in the future long period of time. So therefore, the proper capital budgeting decision must be taken by the finance manager by using various methods of capital budgeting decisions. Then next one is tax planning. So now tax is playing very important role. Then proper knowledge of various taxes which are existing in the domestic country as well as in other countries where we are importing and exporting. The knowledge of tax is playing very important role. If the finance manager is having proper knowledge about the tax, then he can benefit to the organization, otherwise no. So therefore, tax planning is very, very important. Next one is dividend decisions. So whatever the shareholders we are having, we are earning the profit, the company is earning the profit, some portion of that profit should be distributed in the form of dividend to the shareholders, and some portion we may use for acquisition, for diversification, for modernization. Therefore, the dividend decision is also playing very important role of financial manager. Next one is reporting. So reporting should be done properly and in time to each and every people to whom we have to report. The report we have to make to the governments, various departments of the governments. We have to report to the board of directors. We have to report to the shareholders. So we must report the compliances. We can fulfill the compliances in a time, so that our reputation or goodwill must be maintained in the, otherwise it will affect our goodwill or reputation. So reporting is also playing very important role. Last one is control. So whatever the funds we are investing, whatever the funds we are acquiring, there must be proper control. The funds we are utilizing, those must be utilized properly. there should not be any frauds which will take place. Nowadays, so many frauds which were taking place in the finance department. So therefore, the finance manager has to properly control the finances so that there should not be any frauds. So in total, we may say that conclusion, the role of finance manager has increased very drastically because of liberalization, globalization and privatization. If the organization is more bigger and bigger, larger and larger, the role is increasing more and more. If the organization is small, the role is also somewhat small. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.